Welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you a leftover rice recipe. This recipe turns out so great that if you make it for your guests, they're going to keep asking for more. That's how good this recipe is. But before we start the process, I want to introduce you to my new Hindi channel, At Home with Alpa in Hindi. Please do show your support and love by subscribing to this channel, and also do leave me a comment or two letting me know how the channel is, and help me grow this new channel by sharing with your friends and family. And now let's proceed with our recipe. So for our recipe, I've taken 2 cups of leftover rice, and now I'm taking a blender and adding all of this leftover rice into the blender. We are also going to add about half cup of water along with the rice so that it blends into a very fine paste. And here, see, our paste is ready, so let's remove it in a bowl. And once we have all the rice paste in the bowl, we are going to add half cup of suji, which is also called as rava or semolina, and follow it up with half cup of water. And now we are simply going to mix everything in till the time the water, suji and the rice paste become one. And then we are just going to cover it up and keep it aside for the next 10 to 15 minutes so that the suji soaks up all the water. And now it's 10 to 15 minutes has passed, so now our suji has nicely fluffed up, and look at the batter, it's nice and pouring consistency. If your batter is very thick, then just add a little bit more water to it and give it a good mix. And now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients, starting with 1 medium size onion finely chopped, or you can add about half a cup. 1 medium size capsicum finely chopped, again half a cup. 1 tablespoon of dhania, which is cilantro. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can always skip this if you're making it for kids. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is jeera. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt as per your taste. And now let's mix in thoroughly. And once everything is nicely mixed in, it's time for us to do the tempering. This tempering is going to add a lot of taste and flavor to the batter. So in the tempering bowl, I've just added 1 tablespoon of oil, and once it's a little hot, we are going to add half teaspoon of rye, and once they start to splutter, we're going to add 2 green chilies finely chopped, followed by 8 to 10 chopped curry leaves, which is curry patta, and then we are going to add this tempering mix into our batter and give that a good mix as well. I'm telling you, this tempering makes a big difference. It just really makes the dish come alive. And now guys, last but not least, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure that you always add the soda in the end, and then mix it going in one direction. And once we are done mixing it, this is going to help make our dish nice and soft and spongy from inside. So mix it in going in one direction. And then now guys, I've taken a appam pan to which I'm going to grease it with some oil. You can always use some butter or ghee. And once I'm done greasing the appam pan, then we are going to keep it on the flame. And once it is a little hot, we are going to start pouring in our batter mix. And once we have all the batter mix into the cavities of the appam pan, then we are simply going to cover it up and cook it for the next 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's use a spoon and turn these appams upside down. And then we are going to cook it for the next 2 minutes on a low flame without the lid. And after 2 minutes guys, it's time for us to remove the appams from the appam pan and serve it while they are hot. You can serve them with some chutney or some ketchup, and I'm telling you, they taste absolutely delicious. So guys, do let me know what you think about this recipe, and please do share this recipe with your friends and family along with the link of my new Hindi channel. And guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and there are recipes which you don't want to miss, so do click on them, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.